Let's go for it. Yeah, this is better than just now, because I have the Mirror Battlesphere, but I have some early plays too, and 3 lands. So, no, I won't like to mulligan. And I guess he wants to draw. He mulligans to 6. Yeah. Okay, so we're on the play. That makes this hand a little bit worse. But it's good enough, I guess. Another land. Sure. So we can cast Thrun on turn 4 here. So he's playing blue, but didn't draw an island all game last turn. Playing the Soul Eater. Off-color Soul Eater is hard because 2 life is certainly not nothing. Like Gamma Skyguard doesn't have any how do you say that? Sorry. It doesn't make sense to tap the Gamma Skyguard because it only hits for 2, but everything above 2 2 power you save life by tapping it, so it's a nice offensive trick too. So. Okay, let's slam the Thrun Master out there and see if he has something against it. I don't think blue-white has something to deal with Thrun other than on rare level like the Wrath effects or something. But I think it's always hard to deal with Thrun, but I think for white-blue it's the most difficult to deal with him. So he begins combat. I don't mind that. Sure. And does he have a follow-up? Thundering Pteranodon. Pays 4 life for it. Yeah, that stops it, kind of. Okay. Wow, we're just drawing all our rares here. I think I'll just attack here. I can regenerate it and play Phyrexian Crusader. So I don't think he will block, but if he blocks, I'm fine with that. If he doesn't block, I think I'm gonna spread it, although I have the Blind Soul Eater. I don't think. We'll see. Just attacking first. So does not block. I'm playing the Crusader here and tapping in the Pteranodon with Soul Eater, I guess. So our deck is a bit on 2 sides, but I think it's pretty decent on both sides. The Infect is a little worse than the non-Infect, but Phyrexian Crusader is just an awesome card anyway. So okay, so I think he's gonna gear up the Kemba Skyguard. I reckon, yeah. Okay, interesting. So he hits me for 4, and I lose 2 life also. Sure. I'll pay once. So I'm going to 12. But then I have a Spread the Sickness. And I think I'm gonna spread the Canvas Skyguard. Just because the Pteranodon is an artifact and can get killed by more things. And it flies, and I don't have really answers to flyers. So I'll attack with the Crusader just because I can. I'm not blocking the Thundering Pteranodon. So I'm giving a poison counter so I can spread and proliferate that way. Spreading the sickness over here. It's funny because I have all the three bomb rares I have are next turn. They're all three in play. So it looked like I have an awesome deck, but I just drew good. So I'm not gonna say I'm in the finals yet, but it looks pretty good. It helps when your opponent gets mana screwed the first time, and second game you draw all your bomb rares. I gotta say that's fine. That's good. Yeah, sure. I don't mind you equipping, but I do mind you attacking, and I don't want you to attack. The Aryak Atri, huh? Okay. Wow, now I have a Copper Carapace myself. Does that make any difference? I can tap his guy and either give him 4 poison going to 4, 5, 7, or give him 6 damage leading him to 4. But that way he can attack with the Pteranodon, so that's a bit too risky. I think I'm just gonna attack here. He blocks the Thrun, I guess, and then Slime Mirror Battlesphere and pass the turn. I think that's a good sequence of plays. I don't think it's smart to play the Copper Carapace here. You got 1 blue, so maybe you have as a Vapor Snack for the Crusader. So no blocks, huh? Interesting. Okay, so he thinks he can play me? No, whatever. I think he'll just coop if he sees this. Unless he has the Steel Sabotage. That's possible. But he says, thank you. He says I have a nice deck, and I say thanks. Just drew. So, yeah, he has the Steel Sabotage. So we're not out of this yet. He has 1 card in hand. He can give the Arya Etrad maybe pump it and give a double strike or something like that, but we'll see. Either way, I'm tapping the guy with the most power, so I don't think he's attacking though. No, maybe yeah, he is attacking with the one with the Copper Carapace on, of course. So the Blinding Soul Eater did his job in this this time. So I'm feel pretty good about having it in my deck. Although it's of course it's better in a white deck, but I think True Life to save like 5 or 7, like Thunder and Pteranodon, is just good enough. So my opponent taking its time. So he wants to attack. I think, yeah. If he has a flash artifact and has a pump spell, then I'm dead. But that's the risk I have to take. I take 2. And then he plays something. Remember the Fallen. For the okay, so he gains 2 life. Going to 8. So he's not dead yet. Interesting. Okay. The Quilled Slagworm. So he's not dead. What I can do is play the Crusader, attack with the Crusader. He goes to 7 poison because he can't block. Leave my Thrun behind, and then next turn gear Phyrexian Crusader up with Copper Carapace and attack for lethal, and this turn playing the Quilled Slagworm. So I think that's the line of play, because I just can't kill him this turn. That's impossible. And I'm at 6 lives, so it's pretty risky. I'm not out of this. I'm doing good, but I'm not out of this yet. Yeah, I'll just attack with the Crusader. Interesting game here, because if he has a bounce spell next turn, he's still not dead. But I think it's better than playing the Copper Carapace. Maybe I shouldn't have played the Slagworm, because if he drew the Wrath, I'm pretty done for. Although it's equal again. But we'll see. So I tap the Pteranodon. Oh, no, I don't tap the Pteranodon, of course, because I got an 8/8. I tap the. I think he's gonna exchange with the Copper Carapace to Kemba Skyguard. Then tap the Skyguard. Then he can't attack. But he tap it, and next turn tap the Pteranodon, equip Crusader, and attack for lethal. He begins combat, so he does not. I think I'll let it happen. What can you have that makes me regret not tapping the Skyguard? Or maybe he has a bounce spell for the Quilled Slagworm. Then I'm dead, right? I think I'm tapping the Pteranodon just in case. Although then I can't tap on the next turn. But if he attacks with it, oh yes, I can, cause I don't need to tap it on my next turn because it's tapped then. Yeah, I'm still tapping the Pteranodon to play around a bounce spell or something. We can combat attacks with the Skyguard. If he has mutagenic growth, then yeah, I'm dead. But I'm not. So he has 1 card in hand. Wow, what could it be? Can I play around something? If he has a bounce spell for the Crusader and blocks the Slagworm, he goes to 4 and I'm dead. But can I play around that. I guess I can't because he has a flyer and I can't handle that. So I have to win this turn. So better just trying it, I guess. I think, yeah. So if he has the Vapor Snag, so be it. What does he have? White Sun Zenith. Okay. Wow, that was close. The White Sun Zenith could have had me there if I didn't have the Crusader. So, up to the finals. And we'll see what we can do there. See you in the finals.